studying video is aircraft piston engine. Before we are going to the piston engines are the main engines which are produced in the early 1940s. In propeller engines, the piston engines only at the time they are used the piston engines. But the jet engines are now only they are using for the aircraft engine. Instead of jet engine, the piston engines will be available for the propeller small aircraft engines. Small aircraft engines are using the piston engines. So here this is a opposed type 6-cylinder piston engine. Opposed type means here the one cylinder is available, opposite is another cylinder is available. Like that, 6 cylinders are 3 cylinders are this side, another 3 cylinders are this side. So opposite piston engines are this name comes from the opposite piston engine. All the pistons are interconnected in the crankshaft. The crankshaft is attached here. So at the end of the propeller will be attached. When the propeller starts to rotate, the aircraft will move forward. So unless the jet engine, the propeller engines will be used only for the small aircraft. So the propeller will be fitted here. So the propeller starts to rotate, the aircraft will move fast forward. This is the working principle of the piston engine. You are comparing to the piston engine, it is slightly same as the ICE engine. You know the ICE engine, what is happening in the petrol engine or diesel engine, pistons are moving to up and down from PDC to PDC. The same principle also available. When the piston moves down, the air is sucked and the fuel is injected and burned and the hit the piston downward, so the piston is attached to the crankshaft. The crankshafts are to take the same principle is whatever available in the IC engine, the same principle is applying here also. But the jet engine principle is completely different. Piston engine principle is completely different. So the piston engines are having, here you see the hole, this hole consists of a spark plug like that. Here the combustion chamber, the spark plug, the fuel inlet pipe, the same thing, whatever available in the same is also available. Here, like the 4-stroke engine, suction stroke, compression stroke, and the exhaust stroke. Same way here also the stroke will be taking place. After completion of the one cycle, the another cycle will start to, again it will be started. The same principle is continued here. Here also the for mixing the air and the fuel, the carburetor will be available. So here in jet engine I told already air fuel ratio is 100:1. Here it is not like that. It is around 25:1. Or petrol means less than 10:1. That means 10 kg of air is equal to 1 kg of fuel. That is the air fuel ratio. The IC engine is also having the same principle. Here the only difference is in IC engine all are inline engine. Inline engines, all the 6 cylinders are connected straight line, but it is not an inline engine, it is an opposite piston engine. Why it is called an opposite piston engine means one cylinder is available, opposite to the cylinder is another cylinder is available. This is called the opposite piston cylinder. Not only the 6-cylinder engine, 8-cylinder engine also available, also 16-cylinder engine also available. And it is when you compare the more power, you can add more number of cylinders. Here in this case only 6-cylinder only available, 8-cylinder available, 16-cylinder available. 16-cylinder means what? 8-cylinder this side, another 8-cylinder that side. So all are interconnected and it is connected with the crankshaft. The power produced by the 16-cylinder engine will be more in case of cylinder engine. But in case of 6-cylinder engine, it is limited. So it is only for small aircraft engine flying at a low altitude. Also the endurance. Endurance means the distance traveled by the aircraft from, suppose if it is 200 km, 200 km, you can use the engines. If you want to travel more distance, you can choose the jet engine. Thus, jet engine reduces. Thank you.